We will first start with a background and history in the Linux development. Unix, an original ancestor of Linux operating system, a product of 1960. It is developed by then famous computer scientists Dennis Ritchie, Kevin Thompson, Brian Kernighan at Bell Labs. These are the following URLs you can go through to read more about the Unix. Before jumping ahead, let's understand the key terms behind the Linux development. Free software. You can think of it any software that is given a license and freedom to copy, distribute and modify up to their need. This idea is coined by Richard Stallman. In 1990s, a Finnish computer science student, Linus Torvalds, began working on Minix, a small Unix-like operating system used as a personal computers in college operating system courses. He decided to improve the main software component underlying Minix called kernel by writing his own custom code. As you all know, kernel is a central component of any Unix-like operating system. Since then, Linux software was immensely extended and improved so that it can find application in modern days. Linux can be usually used by programmers and non-programmers. Unix philosophy will be very interesting. In case of proprietary software, all of the actual program source code is kept away from the publics, so other programmer can't use, build or learn anything from it. You can buy the program, you can use it, but you will never learn how this program actually works. Unix like operating system don't put so much weight on application program. They come with many small programs, utilities called tools. Each tool is generally capable of performing very small simple tasks. You can take example like invention of pipe operator in a way to output of one tool to input of another tool. Think of it like this is a command in terminal. You have entered command 1. The output of this command will be taken as input to this command by the use of this pipe operator. So this is the introduction. Let's meet at next video session. We will do some practical. Thank you.